Want bigger arms but stuck at home? Do these 5 specific movements in this exact sequence and watch what happens. Most people spend years doing curls in the gym and still have the same arms they started with. Here's what nobody tells you. The problem isn't the exercise, it's the strategy. And today, I'm giving you a step-by-step home arm workout built on actual sports science. No gym, no dumbbells, no excuses. If you follow this exactly, your arms will look and feel different in 4 weeks. Let's go. First, why do arms grow? Let's get one thing straight. Muscle hypertrophy, that's the scientific term for muscle growth, happens when you apply mechanical tension and metabolic stress to the muscle fibers. You don't need a barbell to do that. A 2017 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that bodyweight training, when taken close to failure, produces muscle growth statistically equivalent to free weights. The key variable? Progressive overload. Your muscles don't count reps. They respond to effort and tension, which you can create with your own body weight, a wall, or a door frame. Now, here's the anatomy reality check. Your arm is 2/3 tricep. If you only train biceps, you're ignoring the bigger part. So this workout trains both, strategically.
Exercise 1. Door frame curl. Biceps. 3 sets by 10 to 15 reps. Stand in a doorway. Grip both sides at hip height. Lean back slightly and curl your body weight forward. This mimics a dumbbell curl with your own load. Keep your elbows pinned to your sides. The moment they flare, you lose tension on the bicep. Why it works? Supinated grip at full range of motion targets the bicep short and long head simultaneously.
Exercise 2. Chin-up negative. Biceps plus brachialis. 3 sets times 5 to 8 slow reps. Jump or step to the top position of a chin-up, then lower yourself in 4 to 6 seconds. That eccentric phase is where most muscle damage and growth happens. A 2019 study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology confirmed that eccentric-focused training produces significantly greater hypertrophy than concentric-only work.
Exercise 3. Diamond push-up. Triceps. 3 sets times 12 to 20 reps. Hands form a diamond shape under your chest. The narrow grip forces elbow extension. This is the primary movement of the tricep. Keep your elbows tracking back, not out to the sides.
Exercise 4. Bench dips. Triceps long head. 3 sets times 12 to 15 reps. Use a chair or the edge of your bed. Hands behind you, feet extended. Dip down until your elbows hit 90 degrees. The long head of the tricep, the part that gives your arm that horseshoe shape, is fully activated when your arm is behind your torso.
Exercise 5. Hammer curl with resistance band. Brachialis. 3 sets times 12 reps. If you have a resistance band, great. If not, grip a water bottle with a neutral or hammer grip, thumb pointing up. This targets the brachialis, which sits under the bicep. Training it pushes your bicep peak upward and adds width to the arm.
Remember at the start I told you to stick around for the last tip? Here it is. The #1 reason home arm workouts fail isn't the exercises, it's the rest intervals. Most people rest 30 seconds between sets because they're watching a timer. But a 2021 paper in the Journal of Human Kinetics found that rest intervals of 90 to 120 seconds between sets produced significantly more hypertrophy than short rest intervals in isolation exercises. Short rests are great for cardio conditioning. For muscle growth, you need your muscle to recover enough to recruit maximum motor units on the next set. Rest 90 seconds, every time. Set a timer on your phone right now.
That's your complete home arm workout, backed by science, 0 equipment required. Quick recap: door frame curls, chin-up negatives, diamond push-ups, bench dips, and hammer curls. 3 sets each, 90 seconds rest, 3 times a week. Do this consistently for 4 weeks and come back and tell me what changed in the comments. I read every single one.
If this video helped you, hit subscribe. We post evidence-based fitness content every week. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.